So.
Yo.
Achami.
So.
Jonathan, you pardon me to speak to my people in my tree before I get back to you.
So.
Me wahane.
So.
Enam adwumaye esi hen.
So.
Ene ekwan enam so a eba ene bra mpanyinfo adwuma no abra san me edu hase.
So.
Edu baby ni yeso mama ne nkata kwanko an.
So.
Me ba ne me nana ye ka so agisika.
So.
Afiri adwuma fo e ho.
So.
Na woko wa krata mu nyinara.
So.
Adwuma ni ese eka wo mbebo no uche mu miensa we no be ye baako yesi da bi ye ntiase.
So.
Ka enruha.
So.
Enruha ka.
So.
Ya bi ani esi kwa se da bi empre.
So.
Na gas ba ha so a ne bema ye so kanea na ye bi akofo.
So.
Na yesi da bi empre na abai makwa mi enye.
So.
Afei dia kwale wo ya Asantehene nti no peso de ba.
So.
Na ne gampon me mi nana no no.
So.
Ne ba wo ya Asantehene.
So.
Ye dey ti no no so say ha no de ba.
So.
Adwuma na no wo ye.
So.
Na gas pipeline no after kra ye say enye ye say de ba.
So.
Na ye ne enfam kosi nyina hin ko an.
So.
But I did you in two in the kosi ho.
So.
Yes ye pekani abefu ama obi enya kakra ko ni fie.
So.
Ena ignasu edu ba bi o say me friend no me siesie. Me friend na yam po za bi asem na ekoso me friend me na me be say bi asem na ekoso.
So.
Me friend be share me mpia me share me esa kan bi say bi nti na echiche ni.
So.
Ne nyame cha dia enu na nam so ama di sisi hasisi.
So.
Jidia wo mu say am pass ha na wo say banti me si hasisi.
So.
What I say and neighbor me say give me a bia me die.
So.
Me background me tuma credit ma me cry yes me chance me say me ba.
So.
Me kwenti.
So.
And na ma me nana adin wa hanti.
So.
Where the any dia so minister no ne owura kun mo hwe kwan e de be fa so be bo amagana ma ya koso.
So.
Na Asantehene so akoso na free he ko sirem ni baby aso nya kanea ne gas no.
So.
And so na e fa bi to say there be empty.
So.
Na sikama e wo fom.
So.
Ye ba nso be bo amagana so ayeye.
So.
Na fe bi enti na nso ni esi kwan.
So.
Yo, enu nti na mpese mu hunu bi enti a e wo ha ya ye nyina ye na ye tsa ye esi asese na ya pompra wa bra ho ne pai.
So.
Emre bi kra bi za na wo baba na so ye minister e bi eti wo wo na so ye hunu se ne papa adwumenti ye esi ye.
So.
Azu baba wo ye minister ye eti no no kra so ye hunu se ne papa adwumenti ye bo am na ye.
So.
Ni ka chen.
So.
Na mti nyame ye dana se wo mo tie di sa mpa se ye de ba ha be ye.
So.
Ama aye ne ye nyina ye wo ha sisi a ye hunu de be bo am ye nyina so.
So.
Jonathan, I agree with you that government should be looking at policies instead of being involved in industry and everything. It doesn't work.
So.
And it's about time Ghana realizes that it's not going to work for government to be involved in in setting up companies and all those things. It doesn't work.
So.
Government should be content with policies, and then private sector should be involved in setting up industries and everything.
So.
It works that way, and therefore you can attract more investment to come to the country, and it creates more employment. VRA and others, our government establishment, let's give it out and divest to public sector, private sector, and then we inject money in there.
So.
And get the right people to do it.
So.
Great and others and all are all for private sector. Let's give them the money, get the qualified people, divest government from it, and let them do it.
So.
Other than that, electricity company is in a situation where we don't know, but that also must be divested and give it to private sector.
So.
Why are we still holding it when we don't have the money?
So.
We are not even able to collect all the taxes that we want.
So,
We are going to IMF for money and all those things.
No.
We are hanging on to industries that we cannot maintain and run.
so,
Look, it's about time we face realities and then decided on what government should be doing and what private sector should be doing.
so,
This is a testimony of private sector investment.
so,
And they were able to attract Opemsuo. His family has all the money in South Africa. They were able to attract him to come here
So-
because he believed in private sector.
so,
And they've done it in various countries in Africa.
so,
So that is how we have to be looking at it to attract more of these investments into the private sector so we can do it.
so,
My son here, when he was saying that those small generators and all those and given to we and all those, go and review the policy and let the government know how to go about it.
so, so, so,
So, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you very much for coming here to witness what we are witnessing today.
so,
It's a testimony to the hard work of the Ministry of Energy, Genser, and private sector.
So-
That's why we have this here. And I thank you very much for and my son here for
So-
inviting me to see what we all prayed for. And now we are here witnessing it. Thank you very
so,
much.
so.